Hey everyone! In this video, we're diving into the world of number systems, specifically focusing on binary, the language of computers. We're going to break down what number systems are all about, how to convert between our everyday decimal numbers and binary, and even do some basic math using binary numbers. Let's get started. So, first things first, what is number system? Well, it's just a way of representing numbers. The most common one we use every day is the decimal system. It's base 10, which means it uses 10 digits from 0 to 9. Now, binary is a bit different. It's base 2 system. That means it only uses 2 digits, 0 and 1. And this is super useful for computers because they operate using electrical signals that are either on or off. Alright, let's get into converting decimal numbers to binary. We'll start with the number 25. We're going to use the division by 2 method. So we divide 25 by 2, that gives us 12, with a remainder of 1. Write that remainder down. Next, we divide 12 by 2, that's 6, with a remainder of 0. Write that down too. We keep going like this, dividing each result by 2 until we get down to 0. Then we read the remainders from bottom to top, so 25 in decimal is 11001 in binary. Now let's go the other way and convert a binary number back to decimal. We'll use 10110 as our example. Each digit in binary represents a power of 2, starting from the rightmost digit as 2 to the power of 0. So, 10110 is 1 times 2 to the power of 4 plus 0 times 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 2 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 1 plus 0 times 2 to the power of 0. That's 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0, which equals 22. So, 10110 in binary is 22 in decimal. Now, let's do some binary addition. We're going to add 1011 and 0110. Remember the rules. 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. And 1 plus 1 is equals to 10, which is 2 in decimal, so we carry over the 1. So starting from the right, 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. Next, 1 plus 1 is equals to 10, so we write down 0 and carry over 1. Then, 0 plus 1, the carry, is equals to 10. So we write down 0 and carry over 1. Finally, 1 plus 0 plus 1, the carry, is equals to 10. So the answer is 10001. That means 1011 plus 0110 is equals to 10001 in binary. And that's it. We've covered number systems, binary conversion, and binary addition. I really hope you found this video helpful and easy to understand. Understanding binary is super important in computer science. Just keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it in no time.